Hey there, coffee lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of DeLonghi with their versatile combi coffee maker, the BCO410J-B. This sleek black machine is not just a coffee maker but a complete coffee solution for your kitchen. Let's start with its design. The DeLonghi Combi coffee maker boasts a modern, compact design in black, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen aesthetic. It's not just about looks though. This machine is packed with features to elevate your coffee game. First up, its capacity. With a generous 1.2-liter carafe, you can brew enough coffee to kickstart your day or entertain guests without constant refills. Plus, the reusable filter means you can enjoy your favorite grounds without the hassle of constantly buying disposable filters. Now, let's talk about operation. The BCO410J-B is fully automatic, making it incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a beginner, you can easily brew your favorite coffee with just the touch of a button. But what about performance? Well, with 1,500 watts of power, this machine doesn't disappoint. It heats up quickly and brews coffee efficiently, ensuring that every cup is piping hot and full of flavor. Plus, with its 100-volt voltage, you can rest assured that it's compatible with most standard outlets. One thing to note is the item weight. At 5 kilograms, it's not the lightest coffee maker out there, but the quality and durability more than make up for it. This is a machine built to last. Overall, the DeLonghi Combi coffee maker BCO410J-B is a fantastic addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. Whether you prefer a bold espresso or a smooth drip coffee, this machine has you covered. So why not elevate your morning routine with the perfect cup of coffee brewed right at home? Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.